Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to find the integration of tanx. Let us start. Let us consider integral tanx dx as I. Now to find integration of tanx, we are going to use one of the important results that we have already seen few problems in the previous videos. Out of that, one of the important result was integral f dash x upon f of x is equal to log f of x. Now here you can see we have only tan x, but I am saying that we need to use this property, that is we need a numerator and a denominator. For that you can split tan x as sin x upon cos x dx. Here you can see now we have a numerator and denominator. If you consider the derivative of denominator, that is derivative of cos x will be minus sin x, and in the numerator we have only sin x. Therefore, we need to adjust this minus sign. Consider d by dx of cos x, that is equal to minus sin x. As we need minus sin x, therefore we can adjust this minus sign, and at the same time we'll write a minus sign outside the integration, so that minus into minus will be plus only. Further, minus will be as it is. Considering this integral as f dash x upon f of x, that will give you log f of x, that is denominator cos x plus c. Now we can simplify this minus log of cos x as log of cos x raised to, taking this minus sign, to the power plus c, as we have m log a is equal to log a raised to m. That will give you cos x raised to minus 1 is 1 upon cos x plus c, and we know that 1 upon cos x is sec x. Therefore this will give you log of sec x plus c. Therefore friends, integral of tan x dx is equal to log of sec x plus c. I hope friends you have understood how to find the integral of tan x. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.